It's tough to enter the U.S. market, but the situation is, particularly if you're doing greenfield investment, it's wide open. The U.S. government is very concerned about certain Chinese investments into the U.S. So, for example, technology, or purchasing certain types of companies or certain types of land, particularly those that may be close to the government land. But the reality is, if you're doing a greenfield investment, or if you're in an area where you're helping create jobs, the government often doesn't have any challenge with you. So I think that for Chinese companies and suppliers who want to open up, there's a lot of opportunity in that regard. And what does that mean? It means you do have to go talk to different parts of the government. For example, if you want to open up in a certain type of state or town, you should go talk to the local mayor, right, the county commissioner, the utility company, to make sure that they actually have what you need and to understand their concerns. Because often their concerns are not the same as the U.S. government. Their concerns are, if you come here and invest in us, how are you going to stay, right? How is your business going to be effective? What is your long-term strategy? Are you going to just build something here so you have a toehold in the U.S., or you're actually going to come here and be a partner with us? And building those relationships actually will help you over time. So there is a lot of opportunity in a lot of industries, everything, green energy, certain types of manufacturing. I would argue even up to different investments in smaller tech. So companies shouldn't be scared to do that. They just need to be mindful of, there are lots of concerns, but they can be addressed and they can move forward, and everybody can make money and be happy.